Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to use the Muse video player. So in the download you will just get this single app. It's a standalone app. There's no standalone main involved, it's just by itself. So you go ahead and launch it, and here it is. You have the video player window and you have the main interface right here. So I went ahead and downloaded just some ocean waves, and there's no sound to it, but normally it would play the sound, and this would be the volume knob or slider. So you go ahead and click read to load up the ocean, and then you have to select what you want for it to control. So let's go ahead alpha and choose all four sensors. And I'm gonna select the right input, and here it is. Depending on your computer graphics, it may use more or less CPU, but it essentially has these three parameters: brightness, contrast, and saturation. And as this whole number, the average of front left, front right, and back left and back right changes, it will control whatever is selected. And you can change that just by clicking here. So now it's controlling saturation, and you can reset all of them just with this single button. And you can even manually change them with the mouse to see what your result will be. So by default, the number comes in here, it goes into here, input minimax and output minimax. This is essentially a scaling feature, so you can add your own output. Let's say you want the output, the maximum output to be 10, or how about 4? So now you'll see a much more dramatic increase of brightness when the alpha brainwaves increase. And you can do like -4 for a very dynamic range. What else? There is this drop-down menu which controls a bunch of parameters for this window, like the floating window, or there's full screen, just like that. The speed of averaging controls how quickly these four numbers are averaged together, and then the smoothing time smooths the numbers from abrupt changes to more gradual changes. So if you increase, so let's say like 2000, you'll see a much smoother change of brightness, opposed to 20, which would just be like very quick changes. I think the default is fine though. What else? You can change your frequency band. You can change, maybe you just want the back sensor, the back right sensor. Now that number is going in here and controlling the brightness. By default, it will just play in a loop, so it will play at the front, stop at the back, and restart. You can change that. This is a ping pong, so it goes from here and it plays in reverse, or you can just play it once and it will stop at the end. So I think that is about it. If you have any questions, just comment below or email me, and I hope this is helpful for you.